no AC. Customer says that there's no air coming out of the vents. So first suspect is the furnace. I'm too big.
I don't even know why we were. We were hearing a lot of stuff. It was the squirrels on our front porch. It has that little space below the what do you call it?
The overhang,
eaves,
the eaves, yeah.
And they can on the porch. They can run inside of that and run out the other side. But it's all out.
In this bad boy. And see what it's doing. So I'm gonna take that cover off first. Wish there was some catwalk here and platforms in front of the furnace so I could work more comfortably, but there's nothing here. All right, let me get on these ceiling joists. Oh, I feel the heat. Let me see if it turns by itself. Yeah, it feels pretty smooth. Okay. So the motor's not seized. Let me get my magnet so I can activate that fan switch and the door switch, I mean. Alright, let's see what happens when we do a call for cooling. Okay. All right. Were you able to hear that? It seems like it was really slow to start, so I'm gonna check the capacitor. I'm gonna check the capacitor, but first I'm gonna disconnect the power because I don't want to forget and zap myself. Okay.
We changed one of the two filters. We only had one, but we have the other ones on order for tomorrow. But
Unacceptable.
yeah, I know. I agree.
20 lashes with a wet spaghetti noodle.
Yeah. What spaghetti?
Yeah.
Right now.
All right, so I guess if there's anything there, I can just discharge it. Okay. I can just discharge it like that. And now I check it. Check it. Microfarads. Nothing. Yeah, that's all it is. Oh, that was boring, huh? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it was a boring call. Now I gotta go see if I have this capacitor. Isn't that exciting? I'm so excited! Ooh, the suspense. What is this? 7.5? I'm gonna have to take a picture with my phone and look at it because I'm too old. Let me see. 7.5. Yeah, that's it. Oh, look at that. It's more clear over here. I was looking down here. All right, let's go look for it. So I didn't have it. I had to go for a short drive. But we're back. Okay. Here we go. This is Titan. We'll see if it's really a Titan. All right. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I guess we can turn it around to face us. That little label. Not that it matters. Okay. Not too tight. Say yeah. Say yeah, yeah. All right, now we can connect it. Oh, I can do it from up here. Yeah, but I appreciate it. All right, let's do this. Dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. All right. Little jumper here. Don't try this at home, kids. Voila. All right, I'll wrap it all back up now. Should be good to go. Okay. Oh, look at that. Somebody, they couldn't close it, so they cut these off because they didn't know how to make this work. Instead of moving those screws, they notched the cover. Oh, I didn't grab anything. Still not grabbing anything. Gotta make another hole right there. About right here. Oops. Oh, come on. Don't do that. No way. Come on. Of course my battery would die. It always dies in the worst possible scenario. I wish I had a button. You know how they do it? And then this thing would just pop right off by itself. Yeah. Okay. So I was about to finish making this. Alright, but that screw doesn't look as pretty as this one, so. There. And we'll leave this one just in case that happens again. Sometimes they get stripped, you know? Okay, so now we'll put the cover back on and we should be golden.